Hot saw versus cold saw machine. In roll-forming production lines, one of the most critical steps is cutting the finished profile. There are two main types of cutting machines used in the industry: hot saw and cold saw. Let's take a closer look at how each one works and which one is right for your production. First, the hot saw. This machine uses a high-speed abrasive disc or heat-resistant alloy blade to cut metal by friction. It spins at very high RPMs, generating significant heat and often producing sparks. Hot saws are built for speed and power, making them ideal for cutting thick, heavy-duty profiles like structural C, Z, or H sections. But there's a trade-off. The edges may be rough, with possible burrs or discoloration. Also, due to the high heat, blade wear is faster, and safety precautions are essential. Now let's talk about the cold saw. This machine uses a toothed blade, typically made from high-speed steel or carbide, and rotates at a low speed with high torque. Cuts through metal without generating heat, keeping both the blade and the profile cool. Cold saws deliver precise, clean cuts with smooth edges, perfect for applications where accuracy and finish quality matter. They're commonly used for light to medium profiles, such as strut channels, LSF frames, or gutter sections. The result? Minimal burrs, no deformation, and often no need for post-processing. So, what's the difference? Hot saw. Fast, powerful, made for thicker profiles but less precise. Cold saw. Slower, but extremely clean and accurate, best for lighter materials. Choosing the right saw depends on your line speed, material type, and production goals. If you're aiming for high-volume cutting of heavy profiles, go with the hot saw. But if precision, quality, and clean finishes are your priority, the cold saw is the way to go. Each has its role, and the right choice ensures better performance, less waste, and a smoother production flow. Thanks for watching. For more insights on roll-forming technologies, stay tuned.